I am here to do my fifth experiment on Unix. So my fifth experiment, like there are total 5 questions. The first question is to write a shell script to find the frequency of occurrence of alphabet C in the content for the given file name. So for the shell script, this is the like code. First of all, we should enter the file name, and we should read the file. Just like we should read the file, and like C is equal to cat. That's concatenating. We should concatenate with this file. That is like cat dollar file. That is this shows that we are concatenating the file, and tr minus c represents that truncate. Like we are deleting the words except c, and we'll count how many c's are present in the word like word c. So here the main thing is that the main keyword is that tr truncate, and what truncate will do is that it will delete the words not than c. It will delete all the other words. So and echo the number of c occurrences. Dollar file is dollar c. That's the dollar five value. It will be the word name, and the dollar c is the word count of c. So I will show my output. Uh, you should just give as such. Enter the file name. Hmm. 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 So I'll go to the putty. So I am going to enter the file name. So I have given the file name like vi space sample sample dot txt. See, sample dot txt. It shows the number of C occurrences in vi.sample.txt is 3. So I got my output. So my second question is like write a shell script that given a person's code tells you how many times the person is logged on. So in this we will use who, grep, and wc. Who means the person who identifies the how many times it has been logged identifies, and grep means the group of patterns, and wc is the word count. So I'll go to my code. So this is code. First of all, I enter the user ID, and this is we should read the user ID. And times is equal to who, and grep dollar ID. Like that is that the who will show that how many times it was it will identify the ID, and grep means it's a group of patterns, and it will count of how many WC represents the word count, how many times it has been logged in. So it shows that dollar ID means the how many times it's logged on, like the name is logged, your city CS is logged on. This dollar times means the value which we get it from here will be stored in this times, and dollar times will be presented by like this times. So I'll show my output. CS 240 SS space 5A experiment 5A. Sorry. VI space experiment 5B. SS space experiment 5B. My user ID UR14 CS240 are given. So UR40 is triggered on one times. So it shows that UR40 is triggered only one times. So it's my second output. My third question, like third program is like third question was to write a shell script that takes an UDAN as an argument and prints out the person's name, home directory, shell, and group numbers. For that, it is like we should first of all enter the user id, and we should read this user id, and here we are concatenating like a group. Grep user id means a group of patterns, like it will print the username is with the value which is stored in the variable. Similarly, the echo the home directory is, the echo the shell is, and the echo for group number is, and all this is done using the cat etc password and grep user id. Here the main keyword is grep, where it is having a pattern, but through this pattern we'll get the value of variable, and it will be stored in these things. And through this password, like grep means this grep value only, it will shows that the username's name is especially home directory, shell, and group number. So I'll go to the output. See, username is home directory is, shell is, and group number is. So this is my output. Space. Fourth one. So my fourth question was like to write a shell script to check whether the particular user is using system or not. If using the print pseudocode terminal and his IP address. For that, first one is here we are using function, that is check user function. This is the code actually. Here we are calling the check user function. Here what will do that will, first of all, the flag value is given as 0, and for the user id in who, where checks identifies, and if the who is greater than the user list, if the user value is equal to the dollar value, then it shows that $1 is available logged in, and grep means the group of patterns logged, that everything will be shown. If the if it is equal to 1 means the user won't be available, and it is less than 1 means the username will be printed. And check user means it checks like how many times the user has been logged in or not. And it is this check, we are created a check user function, and to check whether how many times the user has logged in or not, and it is checked through the who function. And here with grep we can print whether how many times whether it's available or logged in or logged at. So I'll show my output for this one. Username, wrong number allada, 40. So it is showed that it is available and is logged in one terminals, and it is logged at 10:33. So it's my output. So the last question is like, yes, is experiment 5v. So to enter word count. For that question, it was like to write a shell script to print the number of occurrence of word for given word. Here it was like to frequency of occurrence of an alphabet. Here it is the word. For that, the code is like echo the enter the word to count. So we should enter the word, and it will store in the read word, and it will and C is equal to concatenating the password and truncate. Like if we given a sentence, it will remove all the sentence except the word which is given here. And WC word count will his job is to count how many times the word has been repeated. And here the echo is like the number of word. Dollar word is the word, like how many words the word which have been entered. Occurrence in the etc password is $C. $C is the how many times the word has been occurred. So it is also done through the truncate. Truncate is the main keyword, and it is used to delete all the words except the word which I have given. So I'll show my output. Sh space, enter the word to count. Sentence another. Sentence on county. I given as county. The number of county occurrence is 192 times. So I have done all my 5 questions in experiment 5. Thank you.